In our first problem, we need to convert 0.0078 into a scientific notation. In the solution, we move the decimal point to the right of 0.00078 up to the fourth places. The decimal point is moved 4 places to the right to form the number 7.8. Since the number is less than 10, the decimal is moved to the right. Hence, we are negative exponent here, so the 0.0078 is equal to 7.8 times 10 to the power of negative 4. A cart rolling down incline for 5.0 seconds has an accelerated of 4.0 meter per second squared. If the cart has a beginning speed of 2.0 meter per second, what is its final speed? Time is equal to 5.0 seconds, acceleration equal to positive 4.0 meter second squared, initial velocity is equal to 2.0 meter seconds, final velocity is unknown. The next thing we're gonna do is to list the formula. Acceleration equal to final velocity minus the initial velocity divided by time. Acceleration. The acceleration is 4.0 meter per second square equal the final velocity. Final velocity is unknown. Minus initial velocity which was given as 2 meter per second divided by the time. In this case, the time was given to us as 5.0 seconds, and I think it's important this case to start distributing and solving for final velocity. 4.0 meter per second multiplied against the time which is 5.0 second is going to equal the final velocity minus the initial velocity. 20 meter per second is equal to final velocity minus 2.0 meter per second. So we need to solve the final velocity. So we're gonna add 2 each side. So 20 meter per second plus 2.0 meter per second equal to final velocity. 22 meter per second as my final velocity. A car traveling at a speed of 30.0 meter per second encounters an emergency and comes to a complete stop. How much time will it take for the car to stop if the rate of acceleration is negative 4.0 meter per second square? Initial velocity is equal to 30.0 meter per second. Final velocity is equal to 0 meter per second. Time is equal to known. Acceleration is equal to negative 4.0 meter per second square. Final velocity minus initial velocity divided by time. Negative 4 meter per second square equal the final velocity 0 meter per second minus the initial velocity 30 meter per second divided by the amount of time. Time equals 0 minus 30 minutes per second divided by negative 4.0 meter per second. Time equal negative 30 meter per second divided by negative 4.0 meter per second is equal to 7.5 seconds.